So the mirrors, the side mirror, the rear view mirrors, and yeah, both side view mirrors and the rear view mirror, they actually tint themselves. I don't know if you can see, but there's a ring around the mirror where you can actually see that it's brighter around that edge, the frame. So at night, the mirrors actually auto tint. There's a thing you can use to turn it off. Like there's a setting you can turn off the auto tint. I forgot where because it's like in a bunch of different settings. But yeah, it auto tints itself so that the cars with the bright lights don't blind you. So that's kind of a neat feature. I haven't seen that before. I mean, I know other cars probably have it, but that's the first time I've had a car that does that, or seen a car that does that in person. Yeah, right? Uh-oh, this is dangerous. Whoa. What the? That was dangerous. There's like, it all merged to like one lane immediately. Jeez. Alright, anyways, just wanted to let you guys know about that cool feature. And see you all in the next one. Bye.